Good afternoon, welcome to my channel Crypto Maximus. Algotech ALGT set to Eclipse Cardano and Tron. Insider scoop on next crypto explosion. The cryptocurrency market is currently strengthening with indications that the next price rally is near. Experts are looking at a new crypto token, Algotech, that is poised to surpass two altcoins Cardano and Tron. Algotech shows it can fulfill 275% ROI promise. Algotech, a decentralized crypto trading platform running a coin presales on its path to DEX registration, displays its viability as an asset and a trading platform. As a blockchain-based trading platform, Algotech offers algorithmic crypto traders new features that enhance trust and transparency. Moreover, its AI integration provides speed and accurate market analysis for timely and profitable trading. Furthermore, Algotech automates trading strategies, enabling traders to take multiple positions quickly to enhance trade returns. Also, Algotech incorporates loss mitigation, enabling proper capital management. As an investment crypto enthusiast, continue to subscribe voraciously to Algotech Onion token presales. With the presales in stage 3, Algotech has seen a demand that has caused its price to double from 0.04 to 0.08 in weeks. With the presales ending in stage 4, investors continue to buy up Algotech as they look forward to an 87.5% profit when it reaches its project listing price of 0.15. Cardano fumbles as price falls. Cardano investors are disappointed as it registers a price fall at the start of Q2. The token fell 20% from 0.74 to 0.59 between March and April, causing jitters among its investors. The price drop was attributable to a market correction and Grayscale, an asset management company, selling its entire holding of Cardano tokens worth $9.4 million. Market analysis indicates that Cardano is bearish. Consequently, experts expect a short-term downtrend and predict Cardano might fall to 0.55. However, bullish predictions show it might reach 0.7 by June. Can Algotech outperform Tron? Tron disappoints investors as price drops. Tron fell from 0.14 to 0.11 between March and April, disappointing investor. Tron price drop was attributed to investor flight due to indications the Federal Reserve might maintain the current interest rates after economic data showed that the U.S. economy had added over 300,000 jobs and the unemployment rate fell in Q1, while Tron's TVL and network revenues increased. Technical indicators reflect a bearish sentiment. Consequently, experts predict that Tron price may fall to 0.5 10 by June. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments until we meet in the next video.